Greetings, Generals, and welcome to the 4th Lost Souls scenario video. Things are amping up for Lost Souls this year. It's going to be a great event. You can register now by emailing lostsoulsgt@gmail.com. The scenarios we're talking about today are Cleansing the Ruins and Ruins of Darkness Past. These scenarios set up a narrative of your Scion or Arbiter channeling the powers of haunted ruins to further their goals. Starting with deployment, we will be using the rules in deployment for Blood and Glory, as found in the Warhammer Big Red Book. Some of you may not be familiar with this type of deployment, as many tournaments use the rules for Blood and Glory, but with battle line deployment. The deployment zone for Blood and Glory creates a 30-inch by 27-inch box by not allowing deployment within 9 inches of the table's short sides or the halfway line. Your deployment zone ends up looking as follows. Objectives for this scenario are very simple. Get in the ruins. At the end of the game, you score 3 scenario battle points for each unit with claim at least partially in the ruins area. This is up to a maximum of 9 points, and you can get that last scenario point by having your Scion or Arbiter in the ruins as well. Note that this means the Scion or Arbiter model itself, not the unit that he's in. The ruins area is a 12-inch square in the dead center of the board. That's it. Just hold the middle. What's interesting about this scenario is when we look at possible matchups. Let's say you're an Arbiter of Life, looking to cleanse these haunted ruins and dissipate the necromantic energies there. You could be facing an enemy Scion of Death, in which case you're trying to hold the ruins and dispel his attempts at siphoning the power off towards Nagash. Or, and perhaps more interesting, and definitely more bloody, you could be paired against another Arbiter of Life, meaning that you will start a mere 18 inches away from one another, making a mad dash to the ruins. Do you get there first and take the charge? Or do you let your opponent get a good footing so you can smash into them? As always, Lost Souls unique scenarios will test a general's gamemanship. Thank you for listening, and may the dice be always in your favor.